make 100% attendance in my basic course.
That means 100% attendance
Yes, sir.
you were in your class.
Yes, sir.
Can you imagine? He has done his level 4, but he didn't miss any class. He has got medal. Is it gold medal? This is the practically speaking test of basic English. In this first part of the test, I'm going to ask you some questions. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Tell me something about yourself.
Okay, sir. My full name is Mehdi Hassan Ucho. You may address me as Ucho, and I am a current student of English Fantasy. And beside, I am a student of honor second year in my district's college.
All right, Mr. Ucho, do you work or study?
Right now, I'm a student, and currently, I'm studying at English Fantasy to taking preparation for IELTS.
Thank you. How do you usually spend your weekend?
As I have said that I am a student of English Fantasy. In a week, I have completed my class in 6 days. After that, I only get 1 day, is Friday, obviously, and I go outside and play football, and sometimes I watch movie in my dormitory. In that way, I spend my weekend.
Thank you. What kind of music do you like most?
Okay, right now I'm starting to listen English song, and because of it's one kind of listening practice for me. Sometimes I feel it's better. It's improving my listening.
Thank you. How many members do you have in your family?
Okay, in my family, I have 5 members, and that is me, my mother, my father, and my 2 siblings.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you so much. What is this on your neck?
Oh, it's a medal, and I have got because of I make 100% attendance in my basic course.
That means 100% attendance
Yes, sir.
you were in your class.
Yes, sir.
Can you imagine? He has done his level 4, but he didn't miss any class. He has got medal. Is it gold medal?
One kind of, sir.
Yeah, it's gold medal. It's more than gold medal.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And perhaps you have got your certificate and book.
Yes, sir.
So how have you got your book?
Sir, I made first position in level 4. That's why I got this book.
Oh. He has got first position in level 4. That's why he has got this book as well as certificate.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I see your certificate?
Yes, sir. Obviously, sir.
His certificate, book, and as well as medal.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations,
Thank
Ucho.
you, sir.
Best of luck for you. But how was your journey with English Fantasy?
It was very good because before coming here, I don't speak English, and as I am a Bengali, my mother language is Bangla. But after coming here, I practice more and more, and the environment is English, and that is the most improving thing between 2 months. And day by day I'm growing up because of my mentor and my main teacher always teach me to speak in English. And beside, I am also study here for taking preparation of IELTS, and I think it's very good for learning English. English Fantasy is very good.
Thank you so very much, Mr. Ucho.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations because of your 100% award.
Yes, sir.
And book and as well as certificate.
Yes, sir.
Take preparation for IELTS exam. So in English Fantasy, we have got 6 level. He has done 4 level. So very soon he will shift for IELTS program. So he is selected for IELTS. আমাদের এখানে ইংলিশ ফ্যান্টাসিতে বেসিক করার পরে আইএলসের জন্য একটা লেভেল টেস্ট নেই, আর সেইখানে যারা ভালো করে তাদেরকে আমরা আইএলসে ক্লাস করার সুযোগ দিই। আলহামদুলিল্লাহ আমাদের উৎস সেই লেভেল টেস্টে ভালো করেছে, সে এখন আইএলস করবে। আলহামদুলিল্লাহ সে আইএলসে ভালো স্কোর করবে। মিস্টার উৎস, ডিজায়ার স্কোর ইন আইএলস এক্সাম?
I think if I get 7.5 to 8, I will be happy.
7.5. Okay. Which country do you want to go?
I want to go in Denmark.
Denmark?
Yeah.
That's really fantastic country in
Yes.
Europe.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Ucho. Best of luck for you.
Thank
Good
you, sir.
time.
Okay, sir.
See you soon in the next video.
Okay, sir.